Technical writer. If you have a knack for technology and a passion for writing, then a career as a technical writer may be the perfect fit for you. As a technical writer, you will be responsible for creating content that explains complex technical information in a clear and concise manner. This includes user manuals, instructional guides, technical specifications, and other documentation that helps users understand how to use products and services. But how do you start a successful career as a technical writer? Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Develop your writing skills. A technical writer must have excellent writing skills. This means that you need to be able to write clearly, concisely, and accurately. Take writing courses, practice writing every day, and read as much as you can to improve your writing skills. 2. Learn about technology. To be a successful technical writer, you need to have a good understanding of the technology you will be writing about. This means that you need to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the field. Attend conferences, read technical journals, and join online communities to stay up to date. 3. Build your portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best writing samples. It is important to have a portfolio to showcase your skills to potential employers. Start building your portfolio by writing for your own blog, contributing to open-source projects, or volunteering to write technical documentation for non-profit organizations. 4. Network. Networking is important in any field, and technical writing is no exception. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other technical writers on social media. Build relationships with people in the industry, and you may find job opportunities or freelance work. 5. Specialize. As you gain experience in technical writing, you may want to specialize in a particular area. This could be anything from software documentation to medical writing. Specializing can help you stand out from other technical writers and may lead to higher pay and more job opportunities. Starting a career as a technical writer may seem daunting, but with dedication, hard work, and a passion for writing, you can succeed in this field. Follow these tips, stay up to date with the latest technology trends, and keep writing every day, and you will be on your way to a successful career as a technical writer.